Hi Future Dolphins, it's Lindsay here, back with another episode of iCAN. We have another great episode ahead for you today. One of my favorite parts about the holiday season is baking for friends and family. And since the holiday season is here, I wanted to share some of my favorite festive dessert recipes with all of you. So whether you're baking for your family or attending a virtual cookie party, you'll have some great recipes to try out. The first recipe is one of my top favorite recipes for the holiday season, which are snowball cookies. These cookies go by many names like Italian wedding cookies or Swedish tea cakes, but are always the same delicious, simple cookie no matter which recipe you follow. These cookies are deliciously buttery with bits of pecan dotted throughout and are coated in powdered sugar. Number 2 is another great holiday recipe with endless decorating opportunities, which are classic sugar cookies. Sugar cookies allow you to get creative through different cookie cutter shapes, frosting, and sprinkles. Plus, this makes for a fun and easy family activity. Third are the fan favorite white chocolate pumpkin snickerdoodles. These are a favorite with all of my friends and family, and they request them every holiday season. The pumpkin flavor goes harmoniously with the white chocolate chips and the snickerdoodle coating. You won't want to miss out on this one. Fourth is chocolate rugula. Rugula is a traditional Jewish dessert that is commonly made for Hanukkah. The crust dough for rugula traditionally uses cream cheese, which gives it a wonderfully tangy flavor. You simply cannot beat any recipe that contains a delicious crust like that, especially when chocolate is involved. And last, we have my all-time favorite chocolate pecan pie, which is nothing short of heavenly. Delicious pecans pair well with the caramel-esque filling and flaky pie crust. And if you don't have pecans, you can always use oatmeal instead. Please let me know if you try out any of these recipes and comment down below what your favorite holiday treats are.